to information that flows into my project from an external source, in this case, my supplier, what really ties very well with it is actually an automation. So in this case, I will create an automation that basically me every time my supplier creates a new product into my project. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go under automations, create a new automation. I'm going to call this notification for a new spec. The trigger will be when an element is created in my product specs category. Then I can receive a notification that a new spec came in. And I will also add the name for that specific spec and then create automation. So now if I go back to my public form and submit that form, so when I go back to my public form and submit my form, I can see that a new spec has been created and then I receive the notification for it.